What's going on, guys? Justin coming to you. Today we're going to do a quick cut. This is the bottom of a door here. And we're going to be using the WormDrive style 60 volt DeWalt circular saw. I went ahead, I already set the depth. So typically you don't want that blade going really too much further past what you're cutting. And the reason is it'll just help get you a cleaner cut. I went ahead, I'm cutting off only a 1/2 inch here. So I set up a guard that's 1 inch and 3/8 away from my cut line, which is as far away as the blade is from the guard here. And I'm just gonna run it down. Do a simple pass. I've got the 60 tooth blade on there, so it'll be a finer cut than the 24 would have been. And I'm gonna throw some goggles on, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick example. These 60 volt or 60 teeth blades, they don't throw as much sawdust as the 24s, but still safer to wear the goggles. So here we are. All right, set that down. I'm gonna actually take the camera out. Kind of had to jerry rig it up there, so I'm sorry if you got vibrations. So that's it. I mean, there's pretty much, there's a little bit which I actually just made that worse, but I mean, there's basically no tear out. That is a clean cut. Straight, no rip up. You could also put some tape where the cut's gonna be, but I knew that because of that blade, it was gonna be pretty clean. So there you go, that's just a quick pass with the saw. And I'll do another video of me actually putting the door in, showing you guys that, but I just want to do a quick little video of the saw in action. I know yesterday I posted some, going over some of the basic tools, and hopefully next time I have a little bit more work, I'll make another video. That was a real quick cut, but thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good one.